Everyone wants to look and feel their best during the summer, and we're all looking for ways to make being healthy easier. Lifestyle expert Carrie Parker is joining us today with a few of her top picks to stay healthy this summer. Welcome, Carrie.
Thank you.
Well, yeah, it's that time, back to school. Now, what should be at the top of our back to school list? What kind of stuff did you bring in today?
I brought a lot of stuff, things that are different, unique, some savings. We have some discount codes. We have a lot of fun stuff, but I want to start over here.
Let's get right to it.
With Made Good, because Made Good is partnering with Mabel's Labels, which is the leading brand of personalized labels for the stuff that kids lose, which my kids lose everything, so this is good. So on participating SKUs, which we're showing here of Made Good, which is an unbelievable product, you can find a $10 off coupon in there that you can use towards personalized labels that you can put on all your stuff.
I like it. Snacks, labels, those are very essential for back to school.
They are.
And what about when we're talking about getting cooking and food? I can smell this salsa. It's smelling kind of good.
Well, this is Cans Get You Cooking. And the whole reason I brought this is that people understand that the more time you spend cooking with canned foods, the less time you're in the kitchen and the more time you actually have to spend with your family and get some you time as well. So I brought two different things that are really great recipes. There's tons of other recipes, but this is Mexican caviar, which is awesome.
Look at that.
I know, so delicious. That's a great snack. It's a really good appetizer. And then I also brought overnight oats with coconut milk and tropical fruit, all from Cans.
Okay.
And a great breakfast and a great snack as well. So that and lots of other recipes get you out of the kitchen, get you spending time with your family.
You just got to try it. I'm going to try it. What else do you have?
Exactly. I also have something called Vapor, which is the anti-bottle. This is an alternative to the rigid bottles. This is foldable. It stands, it freezes, you can collapse it, you can put it in your backpack, made for an active lifestyle.
I like it.
What I really love about this is that almost less than 20% of recyclable materials actually end up in the recycling, which means the rest of them end up in a landfill. So it's really important that we can all do our part, and this is a really affordable way. And today for you guys is 30% off with a code REUSE. So that's REUSE, the code at Vapor to get 30% off your anti-water bottle, which is awesome.
Yes. What else do you have?
I also wanted to bring some stuff from JCPenney.
JCPenney.
So JCPenney Home and JCPenney Fashion. I'm always talking about JCPenney because I love the fact that you can one-stop shop.
Yes.
You can get things that are really trendy and super cute and the whole family's happy, but it's quick. It's for the entire family. It lets you not like blow your entire budget. So a couple fun things. This is a cold brew coffee machine. Lots of cute backpacks and colors and trends. Here's what's important to me too about saving money and being on a budget is that you can do it, but also be on trend. So this is some examples of like things that are super hot and fun and popular right now.
Yeah, you need these for back to school. You know, the kids want to go shopping and mom
I know,
want to do
and
some
how
shopping
cute
too.
is that? Exactly. We can all do some back to school shopping. Another great way to save money is at Burlington.
Okay, what do they have?
Burlington offers up to 60% off regular retail prices. Again, a variety of things that you can get for your entire family. Right now through August 17th, if you can donate $1 at checkout, and that goes towards adoptaclass.com, which helps provide students with school supplies that don't have it otherwise.
All right, so that is at Burlington.
That's at Burlington.
In all of this, you know, we're going to be taking some back to school pictures. I mean, on my phone, you know, for social or whatnot.
No kidding.
Just capturing those moments.
Yes. So Amber's the easiest way to protect, store, and stream your digital memories.
There it is right there.
It's the first all-in-one smart storage platform for streaming device built for convenience, privacy, and security. I like to think about it as kind of your modern day time capsule for your most precious photos. So it's safely stored. It lives there forever. You can go to myamberlife.com to get more information, but this is a super cool new device that I love.
I hope you can organize all my photos too, because I have a lot. And once I start taking them, you know, it's great to keep them, but
yes. Got to have them all in a safe place.
Sounds good. Carrie, these are some great ideas. I love it. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.